everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and use Capital One virtual card on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, the very first thing would be simply for you to access a particular Capital One app on your mobile phone and simply scroll down to the bottom and until you find this virtual card option. As I mentioned before, you will be able to find it in the bottom. This is here in the section called virtual card. Tap on this view option and then you will be able to access your particular this kind of interface. Go ahead, tap on the tab which shares virtual card and tap on this get your number. And now you can see once you have done so, you will be able to see your card number on top, including expiration date and security code. Once you have ticked on it, make sure to note it down properly and you can go back to your Apple Wallet on your mobile phone. Tap on the plus icon on top left corner. Once you have tapped on it, you will be able to enter a new debit or credit card information where you're going to enter your Capital One's virtual card number, and you will be able to do the payment from the next time choosing your wallet and choosing Capital One, and you can do the transactions. So that is simply the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.